Hello, friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Creative Edge, one of the subsidiaries of Top Rankers. I'm here to talk about 5 common mistakes to avoid in the NID examination 2025. Friends, for past many years, I have been observing some of the common mistakes committed by students, some of good students, and not crossing over the line just because those mistakes give them a little mess before the examination or during the examination. Friends, my name is Rajendra Bhatia, and let us talk about these common mistakes. Firstly, last minute preparation. Now, people keep on reading, maybe keep on writing something on their notepad. First thing I would like to suggest, 2 days before exam, ensure all material, including stationery, are ready at least 2 days before the exam. Now, this include your hall card. This include the transparent pouch to carry the material. Now, if your exam center is far, travel a day in advance to avoid last minute stress. I will say to the tune that you go and see your center one day in advance so that you are very cool while you are approaching the center. I won't be exaggerating if I say the day of exam, dance to the tune of radio, maybe listen your favorite songs right from the morning till starting for the examination center. I mean, you should be very cool because most of the part of your exam is going to be the sketching, and that you have been practicing for at least last 2 3 months. Next, jumping to the solution quickly when you read your question paper, you say, "Oh, ये तो आता है मेरे को," and like you jump over onto writing the answer or making the sketch. Friends, my suggestion: take time to carefully read the question 2 to 3 times before starting, and you will find the right kind of an answer that you wanted to give. Again, many of good students, because they know the answer, probably they jump over onto doing the giving the answer, including the sketch. And lastly, they found, oh, this was not asked. And this has happened with very good students also. Note down key salient features of the question on the rough space that has been provided in the answer sheet. Avoid missing important information. Now, here I would also like to point out one thing which I haven't written here, and that is do not use many kind of colored pens. Just use the blue or the black pen and pencil to write your answer sheet, whether it is the aptitude, of course, you are solving onto the computer or on your drawing sheet. Multiple color by highlighting few things do not help you. On contrary, it irritates the jury, it irritates the examiner, and a good answer sheet may be sent to rejection. So do that as well, apart from reading the question many a times. Mistake number 3, adding color unnecessarily. मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा बन गया, मेरे पास टाइम भी बचा है, Why not to color it? Memory drawing, start coloring it. Same thing, what I was talking about pen, pencil, like no colored this thing. Even in the sketch, do not jump over onto the coloring the sketch unless asked for. Only use color if the question is specified and ask for it. Otherwise, stick to the sketches. With the sketches, I mean to say the black and white. If mentioned, only use dry colors. Do not take the markers with you. They are actually never allowed. Next, mistake number 4, writing lengthy description. If the question doesn't ask for a detailed description, avoid writing paragraphs. There are people with very good handwriting. There are people with a lot of ability of expressing themselves in detail, including in the storyboarding. Do not do that. Keep it crisp and keep it to the point. I don't want to say that you do not write anything. Write as much as it is required. Always label your diagrams. Now, here is something which you should remember. For clarity, particularly in product design, and do not label memory and 2D design drawings. Memory drawing, do not try to label it at all. 2D design, whatever you think of labeling, keep it written on one side. For example, I have used analogous colors. I have used these three um, primary structure, or I have used these primary shapes. That you can write down separately on one corner. Now this is what, here is your two-dimension design, and here is what you can write down. Do not label it. Do not label it as a, I've used circle here. You can mention I use circle, three triangle, two rectangles, etc., etc. That you can write down here. I've used analogous colors. That also you can write down here, but not as a label. Let us go on to the last kind of common mistake. People start skipping key sketches. For 2D and 3D design question, always include at least 3 key sketches to showcase your ideas. People say even write down your brainstorming. Okay? So 3 sketches, including that for the memory drawing. Key sketches in the side, you should be drawing it. You can make 3 columns and do the key sketches 1, key sketch 2, and key sketch 3. Some notes here, but do not label it. Do not label it. Right, friends? So these are my ideas of abstaining from mistake and which will smooth up your answer in the NID exam. Let's see what I have to offer you. If you are convinced with these things, which I'm going to read out for you, You can come and join me for 2 months fast track batch. We are offering 2 months fast track batches for UC, NID, and NIFT examination. We call it as fast track batches. Why join them? Here it is. 300 plus hours of live classes. India's biggest and best faculty team. Access anytime recorded lectures. Support till college selection has happened for you. Mock test and video analysis, topic tests and assignments, top rankers study material, all that will be provided in the fast track batch. So to register, you can call now 7676 574400. 7676 574400. Right, friends? So see you then. I thank you very much for being with me. I'm sure these things are going to help you out. Thank you.